Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on the Motorola Edge 40 Neo phone. So for this, we need a brush with longer flexible bristles, made of soft or medium soft bristles, so it doesn't scratch the phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, which will simply soften the dirt for us. It will come out easily then, and afterwards it will evaporate from those openings where the microphones and other components are located. At this point, the microphones, and there will be no trace left, because if it got clogged again, it would be pointless. If you don't have these professional brushes, you can use a toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard. And you can buy such professional tools in a set like this. These are available on Amazon, Allegro, or wherever is convenient for you. You can buy sets like the ones we have. So we always start by turning off the phone completely. Only when the phone is turned off can we begin to clean it in any way. We thoroughly moisten the brush with alcohol so that it's wet. We take the phone so that the microphone opening is visible, and we clean that opening several times in every direction. So for example, first upwards 5 times, then downwards 5 times, then to the right 5 times, and to the left 5 times. And we repeat this about 5 times in each direction. And as I said, a few times in one direction, so it's not just once in each direction, because otherwise the dust won't move. And if you move it a few times in one direction, the dust will simply come out of that hole and opening, and you'll have access to the microphone, and it will work much better. Once we've finished cleaning this microphone, we move on to the other side. Here is the second microphone, which is used for hands-free calls and for noise cancellation. And just like with the other microphone, we clean it 5 or 10 times in each direction. And we repeat the process a few times to make sure the microphone is thoroughly cleaned, so it will stay clean for a longer period. After the procedure, we put the phone back in its place. We wait until the alcohol evaporates, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we can use the phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.